When your guts are angry, it's easy to feel like there's nothing for you to eat without a reaction happening. And one of the things we love doing for our clients in the Love and Trust Your Guts program is helping them regain confidence in knowing what foods are safe and what foods are likely to trigger bacteria and cause a reaction. I want to gift you some of that peace of mind this holiday with one of our clients' absolute favorite recipes, the gut healing hot chocolate. Did you just say I can have chocolate and fix my gut? Yep, and I know you're gonna love it. You ready? Let's dive in. I'm Melissa Lebrack, nutritionist, gut expert, and as my community likes to call me, the Poop Queen. No matter where you're at in your gut healing journey, whether you can't eat a damn thing without a reaction, have lost your appetite and find yourself skipping meals, or finally eating a little bit more food but aren't getting enough nutrients in the day, this recipe is perfect for you. When dreaming of eating all of the foods with no reaction, most people want to go straight for the steak dinner. But I want you to back that bus up and start with nutrient-dense liquids. A nutrient-dense liquid is something that will be easy to digest and contain beneficial ingredients. It could be anything from probiotics, antioxidants, protein, or even minerals. Today, we're going for protein. Protein is the building blocks for your muscles, and guess what? Your gut lining is a muscle too. Most people with gut issues undereat protein, especially when they find they struggle to digest meats. This is one of the reasons why we use gelatin powder, packing a punch with 10 grams of protein in liquid chocolatey form. Gelatin contains glutamic acid, a substance that can restore a healthy mucus lining in the stomach. It can also help stimulate production of gastric juices. And because gelatin binds to water, keeping the digestive tract hydrated, it can support motility and perfect poops. All right, let me show you how to make it. But before I do, this is fair warning. The number one question my clients ask me about this recipe is there a limit of how many of these I can have? Keep it to 3, you crazy chocoholic. For this recipe, you'll need 3 ingredients. 1 tablespoon of gelatin powder packing our punch of protein. 1 tablespoon of cacao powder. 5 to 6 drops of better stevia for a touch of sweetness. And hot water, enough to fill your mug. Start by boiling your water. Waiting for the water to boil. Still waiting. This water is testing my patience. Very little patience. I think it's ready. Add your 1 tablespoon of gelatin powder, 1 tablespoon of cacao powder, and make sure that you stir really well to combine to prevent clumping. Once you're ready, fill with hot water and make sure to stir. Lastly, add a touch of sweetness. And enjoy. If you want to spice it up, you can sub hot water for warmed coconut milk or nut milk, or give it a mint chocolate touch by steeping a peppermint tea bag in your hot water before you combine. And that's it. Did I ever tell you I'm a lazy cook? Recipes gotta be easy in my kitchen. Next time your tummy is feeling a little angry, instead of skipping or omitting foods, ask yourself, how can I infuse even more nutrients into my body in the most easy to digest way? It's the gut healing liquids. All right, my sweet-toothed friend, that's it for now. If your taste buds liked this video, be sure to hit the like button, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and give it a big ol' share. Sweet nectar. Ooh, happy day, gut healing hot chocolate.